Atheism leaves humans without identity.
Ateisms cilvēkus atstāja bez
We are
identitātes.
just orphans.
Mēs esam tikai bāreņi.
An atheist philosopher in one of the debates on television talk show debates with me,
Kādā televīzijas šovā ateismu filozofs runāja ar mani.
he said the history defines us
Viņš teica, ka vēsture mūs definē
as an accident.
kā nelaimes gadījumu.
In the beginning, it was this clash of light.
Pašā sākumā bija gaismas sadursme.
So how rational this is it?
Cik racionāli tas jums izklausās?
Let me tell you the truth. Nothing cannot explode.
Ļaujiet man jums pateikt patiesību, nekas nevar
Voidness
uzsprāgt.
cannot bring fruits, cannot bring light, cannot bring
Tukšums
the
nevar
thing.
atnest gaismu, nevar atnest augļus.
My Bible says,
Mana bībele
in the
saka,
beginning was God.
ka iesākumā bija
And
Dievs.
God created the heavens and the earth.
Un Dievs radīja debesis un
Isn't that
zemi.
wonderful?
Vai tas nav brīnišķīgi?
I said to him, I'm not the orphan of this universe.
Es viņam teicu, es neesmu šī visuma bārenis.
I have a creator
Man ir radītājs.
in Christ.